Welcome to my channel. It's me Oritra. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to stay notified whenever I upload a video.
Today I'm going to be showing you this look that I have recreated for the Valentine's Day 2018. It's a very simple look. For me, makeup is all about being simple, nothing too dramatic. So this is what works for me. Here I'll be taking my Beauty Balm Skin Dream BB Cream with SPF 30 and 5-in-1 Beauty Balm. It's from Oriflame. I'll be taking a bit of this product and mixing it up with my concealer. A bit of my concealer. You can go ahead and use any concealer. I'm using this one. And now I'll be applying this with a sponge all over my face, especially under your eyes where you want to hide your dark circles. Next, I'll be doing my brows. For that, I'll be taking my eyeshadow palette. You can go ahead and use any brow pencil. For the drugstore product, you can go ahead and use any drugstore brands. You can get those high-end ones like from Anastasia or any brands, but I'm gonna be taking my Maybelline palette and filling in my brows. Okay, so since I've done my brows and they look like this, I'll be taking my concealer. I'll be taking my concealer with this small brush. So I'll just be taking a bit of concealer and will just put it around the edge of my eyebrows. I'll do the same thing for the other eye. You might feel this very unnecessary, but this is what makes a difference. This makes your eye makeup look very clean, it makes your eyebrow look very angular, or it makes your eyebrow look very clean and makes your eyebrow look in a proper shape. So after you apply this, you just need to blend. Okay, so my brows are done, and now I'm going to be taking my concealer and will just dot my concealer on my eyelids. I'll be basically prepping my eyelids for the eyeshadow that I'll be using, so you just need a dot. Now I'm going to be taking my eyeshadows and just blend it in. I'll not go with a dramatic look. I'll be taking this shade right here. I don't know the shade name. Do I have shade name in here? Basically, I'll be taking this, or I'll be taking this color right here and just will be building my crease. I'll be depositing this on the outer corner of my eyelid and just make circles, small circles. Slowly build the color in. Now with the same blending brush, I'm going to be taking this beautiful peach color and just will blend it in. I just don't want to make my eyes very dark because it's Valentine's week and this is a Valentine's Day. You need to look a little pinkish or reddish, but wearing a red eyeshadow is not a good idea. You can go ahead and use colors, play with colors, but I'm just going to be taking this coral shade and put it right there, just below where you use that taupe color, just below that. The next thing is you just need to dust off the excess and you just need to do the same thing on the other eye. So this is what your eyeshadow will be looking like after you're done it. After you're done with it, now I'm going to be taking this angular brush and again a taupe color. The taupe color that you have used to define your crease, the waterline, and just line the lower lash line. The next thing that you'll be doing is again take another angular brush and just take the lightest shade, light shimmery shade, and put this on the inner corner of your eyes. Now it's time for the eyeliners. So you can go ahead and use any gel eyeliner if you want. A lot of gel eyeliners are available in the market, but I'm going to be taking the regular liquid eyeliner. It's water resistant and it's from Lakme. So I'm going to be taking this and will draw. The liner that I'll be creating will not be thin, will not be thick either. So I'll be doing the same thing on the other eye. So after your eyeliner is done, now it's time for your mascara. I'm using the one from Oriflame. You can go ahead and use Maybelline. I really have heard a lot about that mascara. Go ahead and use that. I'll be taking my eyelash curler and will just curl my eyelashes to give it a little curl to my eyelashes and make it more dramatic looking. The next thing that I need to do is set my face with face powder. You can use any face powder or translucent powder if you want to. My Maybelline New York's White Super Fresh 12-Hour Whitening Plus Freshness Compact, and will just set my face. The brown shade from the Savannah palette, and I'll be contouring my face. I won't contour it a lot, but a little contouring will do. On your hairlines, over here, on the periphery of your face. To hide your double chin. And I'll be taking the same contour shade in this brush and will be contouring my nose to give this button nose a little sharper effect. We'll have to blend those contours. And we'll be taking the same peach color from the Savannah palette that I've used on my eyes, and I'll just be blushing on my face. After you have blushed on your face, you've blushed your face and you're ready, it's time for your highlighter. You can take any highlighter you want to. Here I'll be taking, I don't know, it's from Cranky Girls. I don't know whether this brand is available in India, but I got this as a gift from my friend. So I'll be taking this and will highlight the higher point of my face. my cheekbones. You can also take a fan brush if you want to, but I'm just using a regular brush. Can you see the light that it's catching? This is what your highlighter does. Your highlighter will be catching light. Can you see it? This part. Can you see it? Yeah. You'll be also highlighting above your brows. I'll be highlighting the tip of my nose. After all highlighting is done and you look all fresh and all, I'll be taking this pink lip gloss.